everyone, Melissa here. Today I am reshaping some short nails, so I figured I would come on and show you guys how I reshape short nails into kind of a coffin-y shape. It's not exactly coffin, but gives it more of that clean shape. Now some of these are a little shorter than I would usually do them, but I'm gonna see what I can make out of this to give her some nice nails. So to start, first thing I do is I'll take my file flat here and just file it straight across. Oh, I like my 180, not the 100. It tears up the nail too much. So the 180 grit, just filing flat a bit so that you have a nice flat tip. Then we are going to come from where the pink meets the white and file inward at an angle. I'll file inward a little bit on that side, and then I'm going to come onto the other side and do the same. Straight angle inward, and then stop there, and then you'll want to make sure, I like to go back to the tip and make sure that it's nice and straight, flat across again. And then I'm going to come over to this side again and file in a little bit more. And you're just going to kind of go back and forth from one side to the other until you've gone in the distance that you want to and they look even. Everything looks nice and even. I also have to like to have a nice clean angle right there. Not curved, but a nice clean angle. Now when you're filing this in, if you're going to be dipping over it, you want to file in a little bit further than you want your finished product to be, because that dip is going to fill out your shape. Okay, and we'll leave her here for now. With her nails being this short, this is about as close to a coffin shape as we can get. We don't want to go in really narrow. It just doesn't look that great on the shorter nails. And go on to the next one, do the same thing. Welcome to the world of me twisting your hand in uncomfortable positions.
That is okay. I always feel like I never know how to hold my hand. I feel like I make it harder on you.
Nah, just relax it. You're fine. Okay, so we have her pretty well reshaped here into what would be kind of a tapered square coffin short shape. Now keep in mind that a lot of your work, a lot of your upkeep on the shape is going to be after you dip. You have to make sure you file those free edges to keep that sharp shape nice and clean, to keep that clean look. And that's it. If you have any more questions or anything else, just let me know. You know where to reach me. Just comment, or you can reach me on Instagram or Facebook. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all next time.